Welcome all. Now I am going to give a brief introduction about the upcoming and fast-growing company called Eagle Readymix Concrete. Eagle Readymix Concrete in Coimbatore is a top player in the category ready-mix concrete dealers in the Coimbatore. This well-known establishment acts as a one-stop destination servicing customers both local and from other parts of Coimbatore. Over the course of its journey, this business has established a firm foothold in its industry. The belief that customer satisfaction is as important as their products and services have helped this establishment garner a vast base of customers, which continues to grow by the day. This business employs individuals that are dedicated towards their respective roles and put in a lot of effort to achieve the common vision and larger goals of the company. In the near future, this business aims to expand its line of products and services and cater to a larger client base. In Coimbatore, this establishment occupies a prominent location in Readymix. It is an effortless task in commuting to this establishment as there are various modes of transport readily available. It is known to provide top service in the following categories: ready-mix concrete dealers, cement dealers, building material dealers, brick dealers, sand dealers.
Eagle Readymix Company is having various types of concretes and unique products. Number 1. Eagle Foamed Concrete, EFC, is manufactured using special types of admixtures and is available in a wide range of densities to suit your application and requirements. The product is easily placed with no compaction required and can be produced on-site by our foam generating units. The fluid nature of EFC allows the concrete to flow free even into the smallest of spaces, making it highly suitable for void fill applications. EFC also exhibits no settlement characteristics that may occur with granular fill materials, allowing a much more stable fill. Number 2. Eagle High Early Strength Concrete, EHESC, is a range of high early strength concrete that speed up construction by allowing quick release of formwork. In an ever-demanding and extremely competitive environment with tight deadlines, speed and efficiency are critical. The quick setting times of our EHSC enable users to dramatically increase the productivity of the construction process. EHSC has been developed for fast-track construction, thinner sections, carriageway replacement, carriageway replacement, airport hard standings, warehouses and precast structures. Eagle Self-Compacting Concrete, ESCC, uses innovative mix technology to combine the benefits of two seemingly opposite physical properties: fluidity and stability. Fluidity is essential to provide easy concrete placement and a high-quality finish with minimum effort. Stability is necessary to prevent segregation. Together, this dynamic fusion delivers the ultimate free-flowing, self-compacting concrete. Number 4. Eagle High Strength Concrete, EHSC, may be defined as concrete with specified characteristic cube strength of 50 N per square millimeter and above. Strength levels of 50 N per square millimeter and even higher are being used for both precast and in situ works. The main applications for EHSC in situ concrete construction are in offshore structures, columns for tall buildings, long-span bridges and other highway structures. The main advantage is the reduction in size of compression elements and/or the amount of longitudinal reinforcement required.
Eagle Lightweight Concrete, ELWC, is a lightweight concrete using selective grades of expanded polystyrene beads, EPS, as thermal insulating aggregates. ELWC is produced by mixing cement, sand, EPS beads and chemical admixtures. Uses ELWC combines the construction ease of concrete with the thermal insulation properties of EPS and can be used for a very wide range of application where lighter loads or thermal insulation or both are desired.
Eagle Polypropylene Fiber Concrete, EPFC, is versatile and can be used in most applications. EPFC is added to the concrete during batching. Thousands of individual fibers are then evenly dispersed throughout the concrete during the mixing process, creating a matrix-like structure. The last product, Eagle Pervious Concrete. Although pervious concrete has been used for over 50 years, only recently has its stormwater management potential been recognized. It creates a pavement that allows infiltration of rainwater rather than creating runoff. Because of the infiltration, groundwater supplies are recharged and pollutants are treated.
The staff at this establishment are courteous and prompt at providing any assistance. They readily answer any queries or questions that you may have. This establishment is functional 24 hours. Thanks for watching this video.